Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be talking exclusively on Temu gift cards. Okay, we'll see whether you can get these gift cards and if possible where you can easily get them. All right, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Okay, so before continue, it doesn't matter whether you're using the Temu mobile app or the Temu website, they are all the same, right? So let's begin. The first thing we want to do is to open your Temu app, and the most straightforward way to know if you can get a Temu gift card is by checking on the Temu website itself or through the Temu app. Alright, so I'm just going to enter Temu gift cards in the search field, or let me simply enter gift cards for a start. And when you enter gift cards, when you search for gift cards on the Temu app or the Temu website, you see that at the first glance you always see gift cards from other providers. Okay, you see Garden Restaurant gift card, J's Mike's gift card, and even gift cards from many other retailers. So this is just to show that Temu itself does not feature its own company-based gift card, and to prove this, we can just simply search for Temu gift card to make the search even more specific. And if we search that, it's just going to return the same results as earlier. Alright, so if you click on the gift card right here, you will see that this gift card is from another provider, the Garden Restaurant. Here, the Garden Restaurant, and it is almost sold out. So Temu being an online shopping site, unlike other retailers, they don't feature their own gift card. Okay, so for the moment there are no Temu gift cards. Okay, Temu gift cards do not exist for the moment. Okay, so we're going to try another method. Let's try searching it on Google itself. So I'll just search for Temu gift card, just like that, and then you see Temu gift cards popping up, but you can see it is gift certificate. They are not actually gift cards. So if you even look at the image, the featured image, you see that what is being shown there is not a gift card. It is something like some sort of form. It's not a gift card. And if we click through that to see what it's all about, you can see that the gift certificates are just taking us back to our starting point earlier, which shows other gift cards from other providers. Okay, so let's go to the second result, and you see that gift card to the United States. So let's just click through that and see what it returns. So it just simply brings us back to this page again, and you can see that these gift cards are those that were shown when we accessed the Temu app earlier. Okay, so if I go to the third result from another provider, Amazon, what Amazon is going to show, you're going to see that the gift cards here are also from other providers. You can see Visa gift card, e-gift card, Amazon.com gift cards, and if you scroll to the list, you will just see gift cards from many other providers except from Temu. So guys, this just brings us to the fact that Temu does not sell gift cards. They does not sell their own store gift cards for the moment. For the moment, you can't get a Temu gift card. So don't be fooled by someone saying this Temu gift cards, because they don't actually work. If you're looking for a way to gift something to someone on Temu, then you just get to do that through Temu coupon codes. Okay, so Temu is known for offering coupons and discounts. And if you want to offer a coupon to someone, you just want to check the video description to get a link to the Temu coupon codes that are actually working as of date. Alright, so we've come to the end of our video. If you found it really helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Alright, so I'll catch you on the next one.